The super blue moon, a rare and spectacular sight. On the night of August 30th, 2023, skywatchers around the world were treated to a rare and spectacular sight, a super blue moon. This phenomenon occurs when a full moon coincides with the moon's closest approach to Earth, making it appear larger and brighter than usual. And if that wasn't enough, this was also the second full moon of the month, which is known as a blue moon. The last time a super blue moon occurred was on January 31st, 2018, and the next one won't happen until January 31st, 2037. What is a supermoon? The moon orbits Earth in an elliptical shape, meaning that its distance from our planet varies throughout its cycle. The point when the moon is closest to Earth is called perigee, and the point when it is farthest away is called apogee. The average distance between the moon and Earth is about 384,000 kilometers to 3800 miles, but at perigee it can be as close as 357,000 kilometers to 2200 miles, and at apogee it can be as far as 406,000 kilometers to 5200 miles. When a full moon occurs near or at perigee, it is called a supermoon. This makes the moon appear about 14% larger and 30% brighter than a full moon at apogee. The difference in size and brightness may not be very noticeable to the naked eye, but it can be seen more clearly when the moon is near the horizon or compared to other objects in the sky. What is a blue moon? A blue moon is the term for the second full moon in a single calendar month. This happens because the lunar cycle, the time it takes for the moon to go from one new moon to the next, is about 29.5 days, which is shorter than most months. This means that every 2 to 3 years, there will be a month with two full moons. The origin of the term blue moon is unclear, but it has nothing to do with the color of the moon. However, on rare occasions, the moon can appear blue due to atmospheric conditions. For example, if there are particles of smoke or dust in the air that are larger than 0.7 microns, about 1,000th of a millimeter, they can scatter red light and let blue light pass through. This can make the moon look blue from certain angles. Why is a super blue moon special? A super blue moon is special because it combines two rare events, a supermoon and a blue moon. The chances of both happening at the same time are very low, which makes it a unique and memorable sight for stargazers. According to NASA, only about 3% of full moons are blue moons, and only about 25% of full moons are supermoons. Therefore, a super blue moon occurs only once every few decades. The last super blue moon was on January 31st, 2018, and it was even more special because it also coincided with a total lunar eclipse. This made the moon appear red or orange in color, creating what L called a super blue blood moon. The next super blue moon will be on January 31st, 2037, but it will not have an eclipse. How to watch a super blue moon? To watch a super blue moon, all you need is a clear sky and a good view of the horizon. The best time to see it is when it rises or sets, as this will make it appear larger due to an optical illusion. You can also use binoculars or a telescope to get a closer look at the lunar features. If you missed the super blue moon on August 30th to 31st, 2023, don't worry. You can still enjoy other lunar events in the coming months and years. For example, on September 29, 2023, there will be another supermoon, and on November 8th to 9th, 2023, there will be another total lunar eclipse. And of course, you can always admire the beauty of the regular full moons every month. The super blue moon is a rare and spectacular sight that reminds us of the wonders of nature and our place in the cosmos. It is also an opportunity to learn more about our nearest celestial neighbor and its influence on our planet. So don't miss your chance to see this amazing phenomenon when it happens again in 2037.